Hola, y'all. Today I'm going to show you 5 ways that you can change the color on your Canva design. Let's get started. I went ahead and threw up a couple of images on my Canva just to get us started so you didn't have to watch me search for them. But let me show you the simplest and easiest way to change the color on a picture. So this cute little turtle has red sunglasses, but maybe you don't want him to have red sunglasses. You can click on the picture and you'll see this is red and this red circle pops up here. You click on that and all of these colors come up on the side. So you can choose any of them that you see. Maybe you are like, I kind of want yellow, but I don't like that yellow. Then you can come up here and search for yellow, and maybe some other yellows will pop up. So you can search for, or just click on a color circle that you see, and it will apply. Let's just say we like this. Oh no, let's go with pink. How cute is that? All right. It's now a girl. She has pink glasses. So that is how you can change the color when there is a color circle up here. Now let's go over here and look at this turtle. So I have this image and this image, and they both have a green, but they're different colors of green. So I kind of want it to be the same color of green. So what I can do is click on that image and go to the green and click on it. All these come up, of course, and then go over here to this multicolored circle with the plus sign in the middle of it and click on it. So one thing I didn't show you earlier, you can also drag and drop this all over the place and it will change colors. All you can see the image changing. You can drag and drop. So I guess I'm showing you 6 ways to change the colors. All right, so let me just take that back though. So it is this color, but say I want it to be the color of this turtle. What I can do is click on that circle, come down here to the dropper, and then come over to the turtle itself and click. And when I click that, it will change and it gives me that color, and it just made these be the same color. So say I wanted it to be any other color. If I wanted it to be the pink like the glasses, it's already in there. So I could just click on it. But if I wanted to do the dropper, I come over the pink glasses, boom. Oh, I guess I was clicking on the wrong thing. And it went to pink. So that is how you can select a certain color and make them all work. So that's kind of how you can do that. Next, let's look at how to possibly change your entire color palette or color scheme at the same time. So you've brought up a thumbnail design that you like that Canva has a template or a design for you already that you can use, but you're not game on the colors. So maybe you like this, but you don't like the orange and the yellow. So what you can do is click on it and then come over here in the design, which is where you get it. You go to designs, click in thumbnails, and you'll find these templates. This is the one we're using. When you click on it, the color scheme or the color palette comes up, and you click on that and watch what it does. It will change. I'm pointing at my computer like you can see it. It will change how those colors are used within the design. So each time you click on it, it will rearrange the colors and make it a little bit different so you can keep trying to find one that you like. If you're still like, I still don't like orange and yellow, what you can do instead of templates, which is where you see this, templates, go over here to where it says styles. And when you go to styles, you will come up and it says color palettes or fonts. You can click on this and it will change fonts. You can change it to whatever font you would like. Let's go back. I like the first one. Or color palettes. So go to color palettes, and these are all different color schemes, color palettes that you can change to. So maybe you like this one, and you can click on it, and you see it still has this little shuffle emblem. Click it again, just like on the other one. You just keep pushing, and it will rotate those colors within that palette on there until you find a combination that you like that is appealing to you. So this is when you can just play around and just find one you really like. Eventually, there will be one that you're in love with. So just keep going until you find one that you like. Now let's scroll down. I'm going to show you another one. Again, these images are in here. You can just click and change. You can click the backdrops. Sometimes they're there and you just have to to change. That kind of eliminates him. I don't know why he's part of the backdrop, but that's how you can change. We've done that. But this is super cool. So say you're like, I really want some colors, but I don't know what colors I want. And of course, everything is searchable on Google, right? So I just searched color palettes and I looked for them. And this is a really cool trick. But the trick is it has to be the color palettes like this. It can't be the ones with the white around it and all this other stuff. This one won't work. It has to be this looking color palette. But I'm going to right click and I'm going to copy that image. Come back over to your design and click on the design, not one of the elements, but the whole design. Right click again and paste it on there. So you went to Google, you've gotten a color palette. It looks like that. You've brought it back, you've pasted it right onto your thing. Go to these three little dots, scroll all the way down to where it says apply colors to page. Click on that and it changes the colors. So then you will just delete this and it's out and it's changed the colors to match those. So that's pretty cool. And one last way that I am going to show you is, let me see, let's go back to this one. Say I don't want the black. So again, this was Google search. This is a specific site called Coolers or Coolers. I'm not sure exactly how to say it, but they have all these trending color palettes. So you can look and see what colors look good together. So I'm looking here. I don't want black. I think maybe I'll find some kind of blue color that I really like. Let's just go with this one. So when I click on this, it will tell you the hex codes. When I click on it, that saves that hex code. And a hex code is the number that is specific to that exact color. Come back to our design. And I am going to change the black. So I want to come over here. I'm clicking on the black. The circle comes up to tell me what color it is. I'm going to click on it. And then I'm coming back down here to this plus sign where we found the dropper earlier. We found the dropper and we can change it. But this time we're going to look at these numbers right here. And I'm going to right click and paste right there. And you'll see that color. Boom. Oh, this one just now became this color. And now it's asking me to change all. So the different elements in the design that are black, do I want them blue? Yes, I do. I'm going to click on that and it will go ahead and change those for me. So there are 5, I think I actually gave you an extra one, 6 ways of changing the color in your design. So go pull up some designs and play around and find the perfect color palette for your designs. If you found that helpful, please consider subscribing and I'll catch you on the next one. Have a great day.